What is up, team, and welcome back to another episode. Now, this is a bit of a different one. I'm actually going to be taking my camera around, vlogging, kind of seeing whatever I can capture throughout this week. I've got a meeting with my attorney in 30 minutes. We've got a podcast at 12. I'm going to be trading. It's going to be a very exciting week. This is the week or the life in the week of a full-time day trader. My name's Mark. I run the Daily Traders, and I hope you do enjoy this video. Let's go. I'm about to hop on the phone with my attorney. We're gonna be going over a bunch of SEC compliance, regulations, and whatnot, making sure that we are solid. It's good to make sure all your building blocks are in place and there's no second guessing ourselves or what we're doing. But hang on, he's calling me, so I'm gonna hop on this call right now. All right, so the meeting with my attorney went well. We've got a podcast in a couple minutes. I'm gonna eat real quick. I have another meeting at 1 o'clock with a phone closing team for our new offer, the Rumford Group, which we're currently working on. We just filmed the podcast.
You know, with that 3,000 to 800, I actually had like a lucky streak in the beginning in my senior year from 800 to 52,000 in 3 months.
Dang. And now I've got another meeting at 1:30 with Jack. We're going to be working on the website, talking to a couple people who are helping set up a phone closing system.
I'm going to recommend you, just because of how my fiance.
Okay, we can schedule 3 weeks out. I know, right?
Thank you so much.
Okay. You're vlogging?
How'd the meeting go?
Good. It was a good meeting.
Good meeting?
We had some that we needed to figure out, so I'm glad we figured out. Look what happened to the market when I was in this meeting. Yeah, that was some blood. I was like thinking of getting short too. I was like, oh, it's like right here.
What do you think about the podcast?
The one we did today?
Yeah, went well.
It was a sick episode.
I want to show people that it is possible to start at a lower amount.
Okay.
You know, where many people, including myself, where I started, that you're able to succeed. Mm-hmm. Learn from everything you possibly can and grow from it. You know, seriously, use other people's knowledge and success. You know, take tidbits from it, make it your own, and use it to grow.
Yeah,
seriously,
I like it.
I love it.
Don't give up. Don't give up.
Yeah, no, never give up. I say that every day. Never give up.
Never give up. I like it.
Yeah.
That was like I just enjoyed talking to him. It was just like a good time.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, we'll definitely reconnect with him. Did you like it?
Yeah, no, I think it went well. All right, here is my lunch. It is almost 3 o'clock. I have not had time to eat. I'm gonna go sit down, go over a couple stocks, probably enter a position over inside the mentorship group, and I'll keep you guys updated. Look at the market, completely sold off all of today's gains, but we're just catching a bounce right now. And I'm actually looking at Tesla because Tesla is sitting in very oversold territory. We just made a new low, here you go, at 186. Definitely some opportunity here on Tesla, down 3% on the day. All right, there we go. I just entered a position over inside the mentorship group. Okay, I went long on Tesla. As you can see on the 4-hour time frame, Tesla just made a new low today at 186.75. So what I'm doing is I am playing the move off that low, playing up through resistance levels. Now, it's very hard to call a bottom, but judging by the overall pattern, trend, and using, my knowledge in the stock market, which I can't disclose all of that. Again, I'm gonna put a link below if you wanna learn my exact system. But without telling you too much, I'm gonna keep you updated on this position. I'll let you know how it goes tomorrow. You know, I'm either making money or losing money. Now, I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but I've gone 6 for 6 on my last 6 trades, so 100% win rate. And this year, I have around a 75% win rate and have called out over 430% in gains. So I'm fully transparent with all of my trades in the stock market. And right now, you can see on Tesla, I was just up like $1,000. Now I am only up, let's see, $140. So I'll let you guys know how this goes tomorrow. And I guess I just decided that this video will probably be a day or two because it would just be way too long if it was my whole week. But stay tuned until the end to see if I end up making money on this position or not. All right, good morning. I'm back and I'm actually running a little late. The market just opened. Ended up sending out my pre-market watch list from the house. But I'm going to screen record my position. I told you guys I'd keep you updated. Market opened. I was down around 3,500. Now I'm up around 5,000. Great trade so far. This play is really running. So there we go. Up 7K on the day. Contracts are up 20%. What an amazing trade so far over inside the mentorship group. All right, off to the office. Let's go. I've been vlogging. I like starting my morning standing up, especially when I'm tired, although I'm not tired right now, but when I'm tired, it's a good way to keep my brain on top of things. All right, update on my Tesla position. I'm currently now up $2,200. So these contracts are moving a lot. Tesla is extremely volatile right now. Okay, so we got Tesla. I'm looking at the 4-hour time frame. Here's my P&L open at the bottom, P&L day, so up around $2,000 on this position. If I pull in a 1-minute chart, you can see off of open, we pulled back, and then we got this large rally. I was up around $8,000 at the peak, and then ended up selling back off, but we did not form a lower high. If we sold back below this low on the open, then I would have been a little concerned. So looking at the larger time frame, what I'm looking for is a move back up to 199.13. Okay, that was resistance in yesterday's pre-market, and then resistance in the prior day's pre-market was at 210.77. So we've been in this steady downtrend, but yesterday formed a low at 186.75, which is what I'm basing this trade off of as my stop loss. If we do drop below that low, I will be cutting this trade. As you can see on open, we did test that level, ended up bouncing off. There you go, you can see contracts are moving a lot. Now I'm only up 700, 900. Anyway, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Again, this is a play I entered inside the mentorship group yesterday, so I'm hoping it pans out well. All right, so unfortunately, I just had to close out of my Tesla trade for a loss. Let me show you why. All right, on the 4-hour, you can see we lost support at $186.75. We did slightly break below, ended up rallying back above, and at that point, I was able to get out of these contracts, follow my trading plan, and minimize my losses. And as you can see, since then, we've continued pulling back even further to form a new low on the 4-hour at 183.60. Now, I'm sure you guys have seen traders out there always posting their gains. Now, what I do is I post my gains and my losses, because you have to understand, as traders, you're never gonna win 100% of the time. The most important thing is keeping your losses small and cutting your losers fast. I cut this trade, I only lost about 14%. My last 6 trades, I was between 30 to 40% in the green. Okay, so I only gave back a little small amount of my gains. I was on a nice win streak, up around 200% in consecutive gains called out in a row. I was 6 for 6, and then today, unfortunately, the win streak broke. Now, whether that was because of Elon Musk selling his $4 billion worth of shares or not, I did my part as a trader by following my trading plan, which I established before entering. So there was no emotion involved, and I knew exactly how much I was willing to lose on that trade, and at which point when Tesla broke below our support level, I exited the trade. All right, to back up what I was saying, I'm gonna show you my 2022 trading call-out sheet inside the mentorship group. So as you can see, Tesla, I just took a loss, a 16.79% loss on those contracts. But then the previous trades, okay, the previous 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades, I went 7 trades in a row on a win streak, okay? 36%, 35%, 22%, 40%, 46% gains, 12%, 31%. I called out roughly 250% in consecutive gains before taking a minor 16% loss. So again, to reemphasize what I was preaching, as traders, we want to cut our losers fast, okay? Keep our losers small and let our winners run. And again, win streaks only last forever. A streak is only gonna last forever before you're gonna take a minor loss. And I say minor loss, well, you may take a large loss if you do not know the proper skills when it comes to being able to manage risk. And this year I've called out 441% in gains. I have a 73.33% win rate and, well, I would say a decent trader. I don't like to brag, but I do like to say that, you know, this year I am beating 99.9%, if not all, of hedge funds. Even if you had sized every single trade all year, you know, every trade I've called out, sized 5 to 10%, you'd still be up, I'd say, somewhere around 25 to 30% on your portfolio. Anyway, that is gonna wrap up this video. Like I said, you know, it's funny because I went 7 trades in a row in the green, and then the one trade I recorded, put in the video, was red, but I'm transparent. I am not gonna decide that, oh, I took a loss, so I'm not gonna put it in the video. I wanna show you guys that, you know, everyone takes losses. That's part of trading. And if you guys are interested in learning my actual trading system, you know, how I'm finding these trades that I'm calling out, where I'm finding this consistency with a 73% win rate and over 440% in gains called this year, I have 30 plus videos all inside the mentorship group. Okay, so I'll put the first link in the description with a $100 off discount code. You'll also get access again to see my call out. So with that said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Later.